Claire from Diamond Painting Nerd. Welcome to another unboxing of another Paintgem mini kit. I'm not as obsessed as some people, but I do have a love for these mini kits, just for something where you can sit down for an hour or so without having to get a big painting out. So I have unboxed a couple of the Paintgem kits recently that I picked up, and this is the third of the three that the most recent ones that I've picked up. Not to say that these are the most recent kits that are out. I tend to unbox all of my Paintgem kits on here anyway, and there's a playlist showing all of them. So if you're interested in any of them, just go and have a look to see if there's an unboxing for it, and then I'll show you the canvases in a little more detail than what you can see online. So as I said, this is the third of the three kits that I've picked up most recently. This is the Floral edition, and there are a total of, sometimes they list how many there are, and sometimes it's names. So this one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there's 12 in this kit. So let's take a little look. So the format is always the same. It always comes with the same things in the same box, so you know what to expect every time. So let me just move the box out of the way. Okay, so I don't always go through what's in the toolkit. You do get a standard toolkit with the Paintgem kits. So you get a pen, a tray, some wax, some tweezers, a couple of multi-placers, and you get it all in this little branded bag as well. I tend to pass on the tools, but keep the bags because they're super handy. I store things like putty in them, so if I'm going away I'll put a couple of packs of putty, and you can also fit pens and stuff in these as well, so it's really handy. So you do get the toolkit. So if you are new to diamond painting, then you literally can just buy one kit and just do all of them, what you get supplied with. You don't need to purchase anything extra, which is quite handy. So then we have the drills. Now these also look very colourful, and I would hope so because this is the Floral edition. I think there might be more than one Floral edition. I might be mistaken, but this is kit number 8. So this is a really old one, because I think that means like the number when it was released. So these are resin drills, so they're high quality drills. And if I look on the back, actually it should tell me 31 colours, I think, in this one. So there are some beautiful purples and reds in there, and some greens, of course, for this kit. I won't get these out because they are just normal drills. The only thing I will say about Paintgem drills is they tend to be very staticky. I haven't kitted up a Paintgem kit yet that hasn't had major static. So do whatever you need to do with your static drills to try and help with that. I blow into the bags, create some moisture in there to try and help with the static. I have tried the freezer trick. I didn't really get on with that. I use dryer sheets quite a lot. Anything that's going to help. And if I can, try and put the dryer sheets in and leave them overnight, just to try and help settle that static down before I kit up, because even the dryer sheet make them explode everywhere. So yes, just be warned that they can be staticky. You can't always tell when they're in these packets. And I get the odd bag where I'm very successful and there's no static, but most of the time I've had the Paintgem ones, they've just been super staticky, and I don't know if it's something to do with the process it goes through in the factory or what, but yeah, just a heads up with regards to that. So it always comes, your canvases always come in this little fold out folder, surprisingly, and it does give you hints and tips what's included. There's also a QR code here for help, and it gets you onto their live chat as well. I think it's a live chat they've got. And yeah, so it's very handy if you are new to diamond painting to be able to look through this, scan the QR code, see what you should have, and look at the hints and tips. Then we get in here our gems colour chart. So these are the stickers. So if you do kit up into bottle storage or any type of other storage, then you can just pop these on your bottles or your boxes, however you choose to kit up. If you prefer to work from bags, then of course you can just stick the stickers onto your bags and work out of them this way. They are resealable grip seal bags, so you can actually do that without a problem. So as I said, there's 30, without me having to count, there's 31 colours in this kit. So that's a nice amount of colours to work with. So as I said, there's 12 paintings in this actual one. Now, I am rubbish at flowers, so I am going to have to use my little guide here to figure out which ones are in here. So this one here, I believe, is the iris. Super pretty. And what I might do with these is include, so with the Paintgem kits, you don't get any special drills. They don't provide any ABs, there's no glitter drills, there's no holograph, there's just none of them. So what you need to do is add in your own. If you want to jazz them up, add in your own. And I've got plenty of spares that I can add in, so I think I might do that with this, just to shake it up a little bit. Then we've got back to the flowers. Then we've got this one here, which I think is the tulip, if I'm right. I think that's the tulip. Then we have the violet. Have I got that the right way around? I think so. They look a lot clearer on camera than what they do in real life. So when I'm looking at these, they are a little bit hard to tell what they are. I think we all know that's going to be the rose. I can get that one. Then we have the lotus. Then we have the pink peony. Is that the right way around? I think so. Is that the pink peony? I think it is. Yeah. Then we have the daisy. Then we have the white lily, one of my favourites. Then we have the bluebell. And next is the poppy. And then we have, oh no, sorry, that wasn't bluebell, that was lavender. So I was looking at the wrong one. Then we have the bluebell. And then we have the sunflower. So I think these are going to be so nice just to sit, especially now it's coming into spring, just to sit and diamond paint some of these. If the weather improves, if it starts to warm up here in the UK, maybe even sitting outside in the garden and doing this flower one would be quite nice rather than sitting inside and doing them. So yeah, you get 12 in this one. So this should be a nice quick easy one to do. As I said, they take about an hour, so it's a nice amount of time to be able to set aside. Especially, I know when I'm diamond painting, I could be painting away for hours without even realizing how long I've actually been going for. So to have something that's a set amount, I'm not going to then, you know, disappear for a few hours. Not there's anything wrong with that, but if I know that I've only got a little bit of time that I can dedicate to diamond painting, but I want to kind of feel like I've got something achieved, then these are perfect in order to be able to do that. So yeah, this is the flower, is it called flower or floral edition, and this is, I said, one of my latest ones. So thank you very much for joining me for today's unboxing. If you have enjoyed any of my videos, please, as always, if you can give the video a thumbs up, it really does help. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button so you are able to keep track of my future videos, and feel free to go back and have a look at some of my previous ones as well. And if you're so inclined, drop me a comment in that comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.